Have you reached the end of a beloved series? Have you read your favorite author's entire back catalog and wondering, what now? What do I read next? Maybe you finished a compelling novel and want to find similar titles, but you're really not sure where to start. Look no further. NoveList database can help you find your next great read.
We've all seen suggestions on various retail sites. Customers who viewed this also viewed that, or you might also be interested in this. NoveList takes this concept to the next level with books. NoveList has over 500,000 titles with a wide variety: fiction and nonfiction, genres and subgenres, old titles and new titles. Because its recommendations are focused solely on books and are curated by experts, the suggestions found in NoveList are more comprehensive, more in-depth, and better researched.
I've read every Stephen King book under the sun. Are there any similar authors out there that I might like?
I really enjoyed The Midnight Library. Can you help me find a book along the same lines?
I loved Harry Potter. Got any other books with child wizards?
The most popular books have personalized recommendations developed by experts with concise descriptions of why titles are considered read-alikes. The experts behind the scenes of NoveList take many appeal factors into consideration, including writing style, genre, tone, characterization, and so on. Recommendations are approved by NoveList editors and provide suitable reasons to why particular books are suggested.
Less popular books have recommendations based on a complex algorithm that takes into account a variety of factors. This algorithm is not static. The NoveList team makes continual updates and adjustments. Users like you can also make recommendations or provide feedback on whether certain read-alike suggestions are accurate. This mixture of expert opinion, user feedback, and computer programming adds value to this ever-growing resource.
So what if you don't have a particular title or author in mind and you're looking for a read-alike? No problem. NoveList lets you browse titles based on your favorite mood, genre, or other elements that appeal to you.
My team just lost 4 games in a row. I need a pick-me-up, something that will make me laugh.
I'd be looking for an enemies to lover romance with some humor, maybe a rom-com.
I'm into fantasy, maybe historical fantasy. I also like books with a vast kingdom setting, maybe with a battle for the throne plotline.
NoveList lets you explore books in so many different ways that you're sure to find one that works for you. You can also browse by genre, appeal, or theme, and within each of these categories is a host of options. With a wide variety of filtered options, NoveList can also help you limit your search results based on many different factors. From audience and theme to time period, location, and more. If browsing is your preferred method of searching for books to read, NoveList has you covered with recommended reads. Keeping up, pages on all the genres, professional reviews, and many different lists and articles. These lists can feature everything from TV or movie read-alikes to recommendations and discussion guides for book clubs. For parents or kids wondering if a particular book is a suitable reading level, NoveList also provides Lexile scores and recommended grade levels for youth titles. And let's not forget audiobooks. A narrator's voice matters, and with NoveList, you can listen to samples and select your next read from an audiobook-specific perspective. You'll access NoveList from our digital resources and databases under the Research tab on the home page. If you're accessing NoveList from home, you will have to input your library card number. If you're not sure how to go about using the database, NoveList has an extensive help section along with an easy How Do I menu with the most commonly asked questions. You can also watch our video on how to use NoveList to find your next read through Fort Bend County Library's YouTube channel. The link is below.
And we're always happy to help you at any of our Fort Bend County libraries. Please give us a call or come in and ask at the desk. And next time you're looking for a great new book, try exploring NoveList and see what you can find.